Oh. Sup? Shade. Eh.
Until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing
Russian. Only major Ukraine captured since the
thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin.
Gonna go for the FLW.
Rainfall totals will continue to pile up along and downstream of the parkway, with a few spots topping 7 inches. Additional heavy showers and surges of water.
Flood warning in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected
Small creeks
where most of northwest North Carolina, including the following counties, Ashe and Watauga, when until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Impact flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other
It's a little Switzerland.
the water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable. Additional details in 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated moderate rainfall with pockets of mainly heavy rain. Flooding is expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. This includes the following streams and drainages: Denver Creek, Kirby Branch, Beaver Falling Rock, Beaver Dam Creek,
and other debris.
Grassy Creek, Elk Creek,
Don't down or encountering flooded roads.
Rush Fort, Elk Creek, Hopkins Fort, Flood Branch, Laurel Branch, and Fall Creek. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Boone, Blowing Rock, Todd, Deep Gap, Glendale Springs, Laurel Springs, and Fleetwood. For flooding safety information, please visit http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood in hilly terrain. There are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of flooding, including mudslides or flooded roads, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared with
Yeah, this thing is whacked up. Just look at that curvature. God, I need to somehow stop abusing you like Jesus Christ.